Hi, I just wanted to finish up on this special features. I went over the 15-minute timer. I ended up with the Smart Art, and when I was in the Smart Art, I could choose a different Smart Art styles. And again, you can pick anything you'd like. If you wanted to view this now, you would click View, Multiple Pages. And again, everyone will have something different. Use your own little creative touches on this. Whether you have two pictures, three pictures, a Smart Art, whatever's fine. We're just exploring and experimenting with Word and all the special features. So I'd like to end this assignment by clicking Design. Over on the far right, choose Page Borders, and you have a Borders and Shading dialog box. You should be at the tab that says Page Border, and then come to the very bottom where it says Art, and you could put apples all around your paper, and it's a border on all 3 pages. I'm just going to go back in there. If you were to scroll down, some pictures you cannot change the color of it, but if you go much further down where you have different styles of fonts, once the color becomes available, you can change colors. So you could choose any color you'd like. The thickest a picture will be for the border is 31 points. So go ahead and click OK, and it goes on all of them. And then to the left of Page Border is Page Color, and you can select any color you'd like. You can change your mind if you'd like. So anything you'd like. So if you were to print from a color printer, all the different colors on the shapes and the Smart Art and the Word Art, the shading would come out, even the border. The only thing that doesn't come out would be the page color background, the peach. That wouldn't come out. So the border would be in the color that you chose, and so would all the shapes and Word Art, just not the page color. That's just for electronic files. So go ahead and save and submit this one. Thank you.